Hey there, food lovers! Looking for a delicious and satisfying meal that won't tie you to the kitchen all night? Then you've got to try this creamy Tuscan chicken recipe. It's bursting with flavor, comes together in just 5 minutes, and is easy enough for even beginner cooks to master. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this culinary adventure to Tuscany. Before we get cooking, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, garlic, minced, dried oregano, heavy cream, chicken broth, fresh spinach, and grated Parmesan cheese for garnish. Let's get started. Today, we're going to learn how to sear chicken to perfection. This technique is essential for creating a delicious, juicy, and flavorful chicken dish that will impress anyone at your dinner table. Grab a large skillet or frying pan and place it over medium-high heat. It's important to use a pan that can hold heat well, such as cast iron or stainless steel, to achieve the best sear. Add a drizzle of olive oil to the pan and let it heat up. You want the oil to be hot, but not smoking. This will help create a nice, even sear on the chicken. Now season your chicken pieces generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried oregano. Don't be afraid to use your favorite spices or herbs to add extra flavor. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chicken to the pan in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Overcrowding the pan can cause the chicken to steam rather than sear, which we want to avoid. Sear the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This crust is where a lot of the flavor comes from, so be patient and let it form. This sear is essential for locking in the flavor and juices of the chicken. Once both sides are seared, you can continue cooking the chicken in the oven or on the stovetop until it reaches the desired internal temperature. Enjoy your perfectly seared chicken. Once your chicken is beautifully seared, it's time to create the star of the show, the creamy Tuscan sauce. This sauce is rich, flavorful, and incredibly versatile, making it a perfect addition to many dishes. Reduce the heat to medium and add the minced garlic to the pan with the chicken. The garlic will infuse the oil and chicken with its aromatic essence, enhancing the overall flavor profile of the dish. Cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. Burning the garlic can result in a bitter taste, so keep a close eye on it and stir continuously. Now, pour in the heavy cream and chicken broth. The combination of these two ingredients will create a luscious, creamy base for our sauce. Stir well to combine and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. This step is crucial, as it allows the flavors to meld together and the sauce to thicken slightly. Allow the sauce to simmer for a couple of minutes, or until it slightly thickens. This will ensure that the sauce has a rich, velvety texture that coats the chicken beautifully. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent the sauce from sticking to the pan. Now, for the finishing touches. Add the fresh spinach to the pan with the chicken and sauce. Spinach is not only a nutritious addition, but also adds a vibrant green color that makes the dish visually appealing. Make sure to use fresh spinach for the best flavor and texture. If you prefer, you can also use baby spinach, which is more tender and cooks even faster. Gently toss everything together until the spinach wilts and is coated in that luscious sauce. The heat from the pan will quickly soften the spinach, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the creamy sauce. This step is crucial as it ensures that every bite is infused with the rich flavors of the sauce and the freshness of the spinach. This will only take a minute or two. Keep an eye on it to make sure the spinach doesn't overcook. Overcooked spinach can become mushy and lose its vibrant color. You want it to be just wilted enough to retain a slight crunch and its beautiful green hue. And there you have it! Your creamy Tuscan chicken is ready to be devoured. This dish is a perfect blend of creamy, savory, and fresh flavors. The chicken is tender, the sauce is rich and creamy, and the spinach adds a delightful freshness. Serve this flavorful dish over a bed of pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes. Each option provides a different texture and flavor that complements the creamy Tuscan chicken beautifully. Pasta adds a classic Italian touch, rice offers a light and fluffy base, and mashed potatoes provide a comforting, creamy counterpart. Garnish with some grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for an extra touch of elegance. The Parmesan adds a salty, nutty flavor that enhances the richness of the sauce, while the parsley adds a pop of color and a hint of freshness. This recipe is incredibly versatile, so feel free to get creative and add your favorite vegetables or herbs. Bell peppers, mushrooms, or even sun-dried tomatoes can add extra layers of flavor and texture. Fresh herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary can also elevate the dish to new heights. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the deliciousness you've created. Cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about experimenting and making the dish your own. Share this meal with loved ones and savor every bite. Don't forget to share your culinary masterpiece with your friends and family and tag me on social media. Happy cooking! Sharing your creations not only spreads joy, but also inspires others to try their hand at cooking. So snap a picture, post it online, and let the world see your delicious creation.